Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. How's your day going? Mine's going pretty good. Yeah, just a typical Tuesday. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I do have a giveaway that's live right now. I'll put that in the description box down below for you guys. Give you a chance to win a couple. It's a really good, amazing eyeshadow palette this month. We are unboxing the May Birchbox. Birchbox was one of the first beauty subscription boxes. I love beauty subscription boxes. They're a way for you to maybe either build your makeup kit, or you can also find out which of the products that you love, which ones you're gonna pass on. Birchbox is great because most of the time they are samples. So instead of buying a full size of something, you figure out, ooh, I really don't like that. You know, a sample is sometimes really the way to go. It's $13 for this. It does ship out once a month. Let's dive into this box. So there's a card here with all these beautiful women on it. And on the back it says, Female Founder Collective Birchbox. We're thrilled to announce that we've joined the Female Founder Creative, a network of business led by women, supporting women. Check out their seal on the front of the box. Your box this month is a celebration of these and all powerful female entrepreneurs. There's a card in here that also says free gifts. Yes, please. Every time you shop with us, be sure to check out Gifts with Purchase page at birchbox.com to snag a special treat while you're at it. And this says just for subscribers with any $35 shop purchase, get a free rose quartz facial roller that boosts circulation and reduces puffiness. Use code ROLLER at checkout. I do have a jade roller that I use all the time. Then there's also the card talks more about celebrating the power of female founded brands, and then it talks about the products on this side. And in the top of the lid says, together we are unstoppable. I completely agree with that. So on Birchbox, you have the choice between two different boxes. You can choose between those two. You can choose to be 100% subscribed. You can choose to put maybe one item in that you want and surprise the rest. There's lots of different customizations. So I chose one of them that I could see all the products and I loved them all. And then I also, I think, added a product. So we'll have to see when that one gets here. I love Smith & Colt nail polish. This was the main reason why I chose this box. This is a full-size nail polish. Look how pretty this color is for the summer. This is a nail lacquer called Doe My Dear. Full size, what this is, retails for $18. One coat gives nail a sheer gray taupe color that flatters almost any skin type. Two coats makes a more of a statement. I love Smith & Colt. Here is a product from Benefit Cosmetics. It's their High Beam Liquid Face Highlighter. Full size of this retails for $26. Ever wish you can simply paint on a glow? It's very possible with the help of this satin pink highlighter that makes your skin looks like it's drawing in light. This is the mini in satiny pink. Looks like this. And it has almost a brush like a nail polish. And then that's what that looks. That's really pretty. A really very light pink highlighter. You know I'm a girl who puts on my foundation and concealer with a beauty blender, so I'm super happy to be getting a beauty blender in here. If you don't know, if you get these wet first, and then I kind of pat them dry with either with a washcloth most of the time, and don't let them dry completely. But when you do get these wet, they do expand. They expand to 2 to 3 times this normal size. So full size retails for $16. It's the perfect size for cream or powder, blushes, or highlights. It's designed to curve the apples of your cheeks. I love using it for my under eye concealer, the smaller size, to do that. From Moroccanoil. It is their treatment light, full size, retails for $34. And this treatment is versatile, all-in-one product that can be used to condition, style, and finish your look. It's specifically formulated for light colored and fine hair to make those delicate hair types smoother and more manageable. I'm probably gonna have to pass this one on because obviously I don't have light colored hair, but I do have some friends that will love this. By Real Chemistry. It is the Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. Full size retails for $44. Think of the lightweight serum as an invisible army of antioxidants. It fights against fine lines, it improves elasticity, and makes your skin tone more even and bright. I always love good serums. I do love that this one is kind of in a darker bottle, so that way it helps protect the serum on the inside. Lastly, by GrandeLIPS. I do have a couple of their lip products, the full-size ones. This is obviously a sample size. It's the HydraPlump Plumping Liquid Lipstick in the shade Vintage Rose. Full size retails for $25. This 3-in-1 lipstick's creamy semi-matte formula is built for comfort and will never crack or crease. It gives you healthy, plump, hydrated lips like you always wanted. Let me take off the lipstick that I have on now. Has a doe foot applicator. Has an angle, a little bit of angle to it. It's a really pretty mauve color. I think this is a really color on. I really like the GrandeLIPS and the different colors that I have. I really like. They don't dry down your lips or anything. I really like them. You know, I think this is great. Everything in here was a hit for me. Love, love, love my Smith & Colt nail polish and the Beauty Blender. I'm excited to try the High Beam. You know, I do like this color. This was the only miss for me in here was the Moroccanoil, just because it's for people with light hair and I don't have light hair. So which were your favorites? Did you guys get the same things? Were we box twins? If you do get this box, let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You know, it does mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. Have a wonderful rest of your day, you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.